Hey, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Here I have a pair of Sony XM5 headphones. I'm going to show you how to replace the ear pad cushions in this model. First thing you would need to do is remove the ear pad with a tool that we have, which is a pry tool. Insert the pry tool in between the ear pad and the ear cup housing. And you want to push down, and you should hear some clicks, which means it's becoming free from the ear cup housing. And you just want to do this all the way around, and as you could hear the clicks, and then once half of it is loose, I'd say you could probably use your hands and just gently pull the rest off, and you can see all the clips aligned here. Right here it will tell you what side ear cup it's for, so that's the L3, the left side for L. And here we have our foam in there, which just comes out very easily. And then, so in order to replace it, you just gently put the foam back in there. Then you would take the ear pad and line up the clips along with the openings on the inner housing. And then once you feel it's lined up, you can apply some pressure, and you should hear some snaps and some clicks, which means that it is securing to the ear cup. And just apply pressure all the way around until you stop hearing any clicks, and then you want to give it a tug just to make sure that it's in place and nothing is loose. And these are our CentralSound ear pad cushions, which have memory foam, and they're very comfortable. The right side is stock pads, and the left side are our CentralSound ear pads, which you can order at a link down below.